Okay, welcome back. So in the previous video, what we did, I ran this script as you can see on the right hand side, where I filtered. I want only the records above 100, and it gave us. So the table is here, as you can see. What I did here is I'm writing a script that I don't want this first line where the amount is 100 or below. So there's a script for it. Just get a sample script and run it, and it gives you what you want. Where's the result? And this is the result. Simple and fine. So what else can it provide to you? We've covered this in previous videos. This is just a short rundown so you know that our new E intelligence also have the features. It has also brought activity history. All the script I've written here, I can come to the below here activity, and you can see the script. This is the last script I've put here. This is the history. This is the script here. This is the result, a snippet of the results. Top 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rows, but the header is not inclusive, so it's 4 records coming out. There's before I ran this last, and the next thing before the above, I ran the one below. This is the one I ran below. As you can see, the results are there. This is a very good one for reporting, or for example for note kind of documentation, where your team can fall back to codes that are working, scripts that are working, for them to do whatever they want to do. So this is the power that E intelligence also offer with it. All right, so this, as you can see, I'm going to close this one out. I'm going to go to the as result screen. This you remember we clicked on the start modeling, and it brought out this. So we have used ESQL on sheets. You might be thinking, what about the ePython? Yes, there's also ePython on this bit, but it's a little bit different from what is here. So I'm just going to click on this now. So it brings up the same interface, and with this interface we're just going to test. I'm going to use a small screen now. I'm just going to test a just simple Python script. Alright, so I'm coming now to the first screen here. So inside the same script, the same script editing parts here, you can still write your Python. But you might be wondering, why is there another button? I'll come to that in a short bit. So let's say we want to write a very short Python script. Let's say we want to write print word, print just hello. We cover the hello, yeah. Let's say hello. We want to just print hello there. Because we're writing Python, it needs us to let it know we're writing Python. So we need to type. We need to comment out Python here. This is the key difference between the other interface that I'm going to go in a short while and this. This one you need to type in Python underneath it, or at the top or above. Before I write this one, I can type it above or at the end. This way it will recognize that this is a Python script. It will not take it as a SQL script. So I'm just going to click this one. Now what this code simply does is to print hello here. So let's have a look. As you can see, it called Python. Before it was calling ESQL. Now it called Python. So that means it's working fine. It detected that we have changed our language from SQL to Python. As you can see on the right hand side, it has printed hello. You can kind of write complex mathematical equation. It will also still perform that. That is Python has done its thing now. Alright, because I'm still going to write more Python script, I think this shows a little bit what it can do. I think I've covered that. In the next video, I'll be looking at, let me click this. In the next video, we'll be going to SQL. where we're going to write SQL code to connect to a database. I think what we'll do, the next video, we'll just write SQL code and then go to Python, then finally connect to a database. Because I would like us to take it slow and steady when connecting to databases and the rest. We need some time to get the connection server name perfect well. So I'll just do that behind the scene, then we'll be ready to crack on. So that's all about the button one, ESQL on Sheets and ESQL on Python on Sheets, all in the suite of e-intelligence. All right, fine. So thank you very much, and let's go to the next session. Thank you.